So, the last update should have been that I was going to go deliver this beautiful Ford Focus $500 car to its owner. That hasn't happened. What has happened is I am on the side of the highway because I was driving and noticed that the engine was overheating. So I'm stopped. And I called somebody far, far away to come rescue me. And I took the day off of work, so hopefully I could figure this out, because I don't want to disappoint the owner any more than she probably already is. So, yeah, looks like a really interesting day. I think it's going to take over an hour for my ride to get here. So, yeah, looks like I got some free time to fill. Alright guys, Matt signing off.